Did you know that over 2.2 billion people in the world are suffering from vision impairment? As we age, our eyes face numerous challenges, and the statistics show that conditions like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration are on the rise. Shockingly, most of these could be prevented or at least improved with the right nutrition. Food plays a huge role in protecting your eyes and vision. Are you taking in the right nutrients for your eyesight? In today's video, we show the best foods that keep your eyes healthy and restore your vision naturally. This video aims to provide educational content exclusively. If you have any medical concerns, it is strongly advised to consult with your healthcare professional. Fatty fish. Speaking of eye health, there's more than a little evidence that fatty fishes, particularly salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are more than just meals, they are important. They contain the essential omega-3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid. Docosahexaenoic acids are highly concentrated in the retina and are critical to visual development and function. Eating fatty fish regularly drastically reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Degeneration is one of the primary reasons for vision loss among the elderly. Also, the omega-3 fatty acids abundant in fatty fish may have an anti-inflammatory impact, diminish symptoms of dry eye syndrome by enhancing tear production and reducing eye irritation. Before we go any further, I have some great news that can complement everything we've been discussing. Is there something missing in your backyard? If you love natural remedies, check out the Medicinal Garden Kit. It includes 10 high-quality, non-GMO seeds and a free guide to help you grow them, even if you're a beginner. The average American spends over $1,700 a year at the pharmacy. This kit could potentially save you hundreds. Plus, it comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. Click the link in the description to get your Medicinal Garden Kit and start your own backyard pharmacy. Fatty fish foods also provide nutritional support for blood vessels in the eyes and may lower the risk of developing conditions such as cataracts and glaucoma. The omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish protect the cells from the damaging radiation of blue light emitted by digital gadget screens, thereby reducing the risk of possible eye strain and fatigue. They are also good for the eyes because fatty fish help reduce the risk of eye disorders, including diabetic retinopathy. Cranberries. Though cranberries hardly ever enter the lists of fruits to snack on, they are powerhouses for eye health due to their richness in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These berries turn out very useful in combating oxidative stress that may harm our eyes. Some studies claim that nutrients in cranberries, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataract development. Their high composition of vitamin C raises collagen levels, which is responsible for maintaining the structure of the eyes. Besides that, it is believed that cranberries enhance blood flow to the eye and support general ocular health. Consuming cranberries is one of the most straightforward ways of taking care of your vision while enjoying their sweet and sour taste. Well, try adding some cranberries to your morning smoothie or salad. Walnuts. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are not only nutritious, but also of great aid to healthy vision. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these nuts bring down the inflammation and further assist the retina in functioning well. With their richness in antioxidants, walnuts can avoid oxidative stress, which often leads to the differentiation of various vision problems. They also have vitamin E in them, considered to be protective for eye cells against free radical damage. As a result of this, The consumption of walnuts regularly may prevent age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. In addition, zinc in walnuts assists in boosting eye functioning, especially night blindness, because it is a mineral that aids in maintaining good vision. So, go ahead and include a handful in your diet as a delicious treat to care for your peepers. Eggs. Eggs are one dietary powerhouse that epitomizes loads of benefits to eye health, promoting tear production and maintaining the surface of the eye. Rich in vitamin A, zinc, lutein, and zeaxanthin, eggs protect against blue light and UV radiation damage, supporting the retina and optic nerve. Regular consumption of eggs can help maintain good vision and keep your eyes healthy in the long run. The antioxidants in eggs also help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Adding eggs to your diet can further improve visual acuity and reduce the risk of cataract formation. Quinoa. Quinoa is not just a trendy grain, it's a powerhouse for eye health. Packed with essential nutrients like zinc and vitamins A and E, quinoa helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. It contains many antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which are crucial for safeguarding vision. The high fiber content in quinoa also aids in regulating blood sugar levels, benefiting overall eye health. Additionally, quinoa's antioxidants can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of age-related eye diseases. Regularly including quinoa in your diet may help improve overall night vision and visual acuity. Plus, it's gluten-free and versatile, making it an easy addition to salads, bowls, or as a side dish. So why not swap out your usual grains for quinoa and give your eyes the boost they deserve? Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, one of the most powerful antioxidants, which protects your eyes from harmful light and oxidative stress. Beta-carotene then turns into vitamin A once it enters the body and is essential for good vision and the prevention of night blindness. Besides beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins C and E, which help reduce inflammation and enhance the immune system to prevent ocular problems. The high fiber content of the vegetable aids in blood sugar control, which is equally important in preventing general eye health problems. You can easily add sweet potatoes to your diet by roasting, mashing, or adding them to soups. By incorporating this bright-colored vegetable into your meals, you not only enjoy its fabulous flavor, but also benefit from the advantages it offers for your vision. Spinach. It is a delicious form among leafy greens and is powerful enough when it comes to eye health. Full of lutein and zeaxanthin, it contains powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from free radical damage. These carotenoids specifically target the macula, reinforcing it to give strong support for central vision. Consuming spinach regularly can significantly lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. It is one of the leading causes of blindness among older persons. Also, vitamin C in spinach promotes healthier blood vessels in the eye, potentially lowering the risk of developing cataract problems. Spinach also contains vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining night vision and overall eye functioning. Its antioxidants shield your eyes from the harmful effects of blue light emitted by digital screens, preserving eye health in the digital age. The spinach will also help maintain sufficient tear production, hence preventing dry eye syndrome. Carrots. Carrots are famous for their high content of beta-carotene, the powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes against free radical damage. Beta-carotene is converted in the body to vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision. This vital vitamin helps to prevent night blindness and supports the function of the retina, where it is a key component of the pigment rhodopsin. The consumption of carrots helps evade age-related macular degeneration. Degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss among older adults, by reducing oxidative stress in the eyes. Besides, lutein and zeaxanthin in carrots protect the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp, central vision, further contributing to overall eye health. By including carrots in your diet, you not only enhance your eyesight, but also provide comprehensive protection for your ocular tissues. Hence, make sure to include this power-packed vegetable in your diet for meals to reap its numerous benefits. Thanks for joining us to learn about foods that protect your eyes. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.